218 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. 2 goes into this 2 how many times? 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 time 2, 2. Subtract 0. Bring down this 1. 0, 1 means 1. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as this current dividend 1 is less than divisor 2. 0 times 2, 0 times 2 is gives you 0. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next digit 8. Our now your current dividend is 18. 2 goes into 18 how many times? 9 times. 9 times 2, 18. Subtract 0. So our answer is 109.